Dear friends, this is Pallavi, and today I am not here to motivate you. I am here to wake you up, to remind you that opportunity is not a gift. It's a test. It doesn't knock politely. It breaks down the door. And the question is, will you be ready to stand tall or will you still be sleeping? You see, the ones who wait for the perfect moment, they wait forever. But the ones who create the moment, they rise, they win, they conquer. Everyone wants success. Everyone wants greatness. But not everyone recognizes opportunity. Because opportunity doesn't come wearing a crown. It doesn't come shouting, I'm here. No, opportunity shows up disguised as hard work, as early mornings, as late nights, as rejections, as failure. Opportunity isn't standing at your door. It's running ahead of you full speed. And the only way to catch it, you run faster, you get up earlier, you work harder, you push through failure, you rise after every fall. Opportunity doesn't come to the one who waits. It comes to the one who creates it. Stop waiting for someone to give you a chance. Take the chance. Make the chance. You are not here to beg for doors to open. You are here to break them down. Every second you waste in self-doubt. Every moment you hesitate. Opportunity moves one step further away. Do you want to look back and say, I could have, I would have, I should have? Or you want to say, I fought for it, I sacrificed for it, and I earned it? Let me tell you something about winners. They were not born with a silver spoon. They were not handed success. They built it from scratch, with blood in their eyes, fire in their soul, and a dream they refused to bury. A single mother working night shifts, a dropout building empire in a garage, a kid in slums teaching himself with torn books. They all had one thing in common. They saw opportunity and they chased it like their life depended on it. Because it did. You have got a dream. Then protect it. Fight for it. Bleed for it. Don't just talk. Do act. Don't just hope. Do move. Don't just wait. Do hunt. You are not too late. You are not too old. You are not too broken. Right now in this moment, opportunity is watching. It's asking, are you ready to rise? Are you ready to burn? Are you ready to go all in? Prepare before it arrives. Let me tell you something brutal. Opportunity doesn't care if you are ready or not. It comes when it wants. And only the prepared get to keep it. Are you preparing when no one's watching? Are you grinding when no one's clapping? Are you becoming the person who can handle the opportunity when it shows up? Dear friends, opportunity is wrapped in as a challenge. Ask any warrior, any entrepreneur, any legend, and they'll tell you the opportunity of lifetime will come, looking like the hardest moment of your life. You'll feel broken, you'll feel tired, and right there you will be handed the seeds of success. But seeds don't grow in comfort. They grow in pressure, in pain, in persistence. If you want the opportunity, don't look for it in ease. Look for it in moments when you feel like quitting. Let me be real with you. Opportunity is expensive. It demands your time, your energy, your sweat, your discipline. Everyone wants the spotlight, but you don't want the struggles that come before it. Everyone wants the prize, but no one wants the pain that earns it. You don't get opportunity by sitting. You earn it in silence, in rejections. Let me remind, mindset is magnet. You don't get opportunity because you are lucky. You get it because your mind is prepared to see it. Your mindset is the magnet. It either attracts opportunity or repels it. A fixed mindset says, I can't. A growth mindset says, I will learn. A lazy mind says, it's too late. A disciplined mind says, I'm just getting started. Do you think successful people get more chances? No. They just don't waste the small ones. Change your mind and you'll start seeing chance everywhere. Opportunity doesn't knock. It waits, it watches, it whispers, and it walks away from those who don't move. Friends, you were not born empty. You were born with a fire, a gift, a purpose, a potential. But between your gift and your greatness lies a single word: opportunity. The question is not, will you get one? The real question is, will you recognize it? Will you grab it? Will you fight for it before it disappears? Because opportunity waits for no one. The world rewards the bold people. This world doesn't reward the passive, the ones who take the risk, the ones who move even when afraid, the one who chase the storm because they know the lightning doesn't strike inside the comfort zone. Greatness isn't gifted, it's claimed, it's fought for, it's earned in the moment when no one sees. So, the question is, when opportunity comes, will you be able to answer it? Will you rise when everyone else is resting? Will you grind when others gossip? Will you show up when you feel like quitting? Because the next 6 months, the next decision, the next 5 seconds would be the moment that changes everything. You don't need permission. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to start, to believe, to fight. Your dream is not a lottery ticket. It's a mission. And missions are not optional. They are duty. The world isn't waiting to give you something. It's waiting to see if you are willing to take it. So rise, burn your excuses, delete your doubts, and go after it with every cell in your body. Because if you don't claim your opportunity, someone else will. And it's time to start running faster. This is your moment. And this is your war cry. I will not wait for opportunity. I will create it. I will not beg for a chance. I will earn it. I will not die with dreams. I will live with fire. So don't wait. Don't hesitate. Don't second guess. This is your moment. This is your opportunity. Chase it. Grab it. Own it.